Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back with a new video, and in today's video we're featuring Lachey Hair. Big thank you to Lachey Hair for sponsoring another video. So let's get into this look. So today I have their new clip-ins. Lachey's not a stranger to the channel when it comes to clip-ins, but I got my hands on their newest clip-ins. These are their invisible edge clip-ins. I have the natural black color in 22 inches. I do have one full set, which comes to 110 grams, and I'm going to show you how to install these. I did a different method. As you can see, my hair was braided just on the lower half, so we're going with like a partial sew-in type install. So here I'm just showing you what they look like right out of the package. The ends on these clip-ins are so thick and so full. I love that. Full density. You get a full 110 grams. I personally prefer 2 sets of clip-ins. So here I'm showing you what the clip looks like. This is why this is called the invisible edge band. As you can see, you do not see any of the bands on the side that's facing upwards when you clip it in. I'm going to compare this clip-in to another set of clip-ins that I have from this company, just so you can see the difference. Here I'm just showing you all the clips that come in that one set. So I have about a total of 2, 4, 6, 7 clips. This is in comparison to the other style clip-in. On this one you can see the band. On this one the band is actually invisible. That means when the wind blows, or if you bend over and somebody is trying to clock your tea, invisible. There's nothing to clock, baby. There's nothing going on up here, okay? So here I am just going to press the hair out. I'm going to press the hair out, get any of the bends out from the package, and I'm going to start by clipping the widest clip. This one had 4 clips to it, the widest clip into my nape area. And I do have a detailed video on how I braid this way. But in this video, I'm starting off with it braided, and I did leave a significant amount out. I was going for a partial sew-in type of look. With a partial sew-in, you know, it looks more natural because you have more hair left out. So I was like, why not just try this with a clip-in install? So I'm just going to continue to clip the hair to the braids. The key is not to get the clips through the entire braid, just to clip it enough so that you can close the clip and it is secure and it doesn't go anywhere. So I am spacing them out accordingly, but keeping in mind that I need to have enough clips to clip in between my leave out. This is a silky texture. I've worked with Lachey Hair before on their Kinky Straight, which I love, and I have tried their highlight clip-ins, which we will feature at the very end of this video because I absolutely love those. But the silky straight is cool, especially if you are relaxed or heat trained, or you just prefer silky straight hair. So I will have the link down below so you can check out all the textures that they have to offer, and I'll also link the videos where I worked with their other texture hair. But here I'm just going to continue to clip them in. Look at this. What? It's giving hair. The hair fully covers the bands. That's what makes this band invisible. So it is super discreet and it lays ultra flat. I was amazed at how flat this install was at the end. I think I prefer this compared to the installs I do where it's majority braids and minimal leave out, because this one was really flat. When I took my hands and rubbed it down my hair when I was finished, I was like, oh, this is giving flat. What? So I'm just going to go in and place the rest of the clips that I have in between my leave out on the top. And I didn't want to do too much flat ironing of my natural hair because there is some product in here from the braids that I just took out. I didn't want to fry my hair. I'm really trying to refrain from excessive heat, but you do get a nice blend, and I am completely natural and I still got a very nice blend with this straight hair. So I'm just going to continue to place the clips and let you watch me work this magic. Alright, so we're all done. This is what she's giving. This is what she looks like, and I love it. I love this. This is a nice long 22, and I do love the full density of these clip-ins. And this gives a natural look with the one set. I'm not gonna lie. It gives a natural look, but I prefer two. That's just what I prefer. I also have a discount code, so if you guys are interested, you can use this code here. I'm gonna put it here, and you can save 5% off your order. And that is on Amazon. Did I mention that these are on Amazon? Anywho, these are the highlight clip-ins, which I have featured in a previous video, but I'm only going to add 3 pieces. About 4 pieces come in a set of these highlight clip-ins, and I only used 3. I used 1 on each side at the very top, and then I used 1 in the back, and that was it. And I love this. This is one of my favorite looks. This is like, if you want color but you want to make it subtle and simple, this is the way to go. Okay, all the links will be down in the description box. Everything used or mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Big thank you to Lachey Hair, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.